Yeah. Sean, you got a package.
Did I?
You did. I know it's early, but you did.
What?
I don't know. It says it's a laptop, though.
What?
It's kind of late for a laptop, though. And yours just broke. Maybe your mom sent you a new laptop. Can you open it? You want help? Oh, you can do it? Got it. So strong. It's almost like you've opened it before.
It's nothing.
It's nothing. I guess it's for you to send your laptop in because it broke. It's from Circuit City, not from your mom.
Oh.
Alright, do you want me to put something in it so you can open it again and you'll be happy?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Close it again. Okay, wait. Sean, you got a package!
Hey, what is it?
I don't know. It says Universal Laptop on it.
I wonder what it is.
Me too. It's almost like we've opened this twice before. Nothing again? Oh, wait. No, it's in here. It's a lighter.
Yay.
It's not a little lighter. It's a big one.
Thanks.
That means your penis is small.